Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to install Kanban Task Manager, the SPFX edition, on SharePoint on premises. First of all, you need to, of course, download the file, which I've already done here. Then you need to find your way into the central admin, find the apps catalog, and go into that site. If you haven't created one already, then you need to do that. And in Apps for SharePoint, then you simply upload the file. And then you enable it or make it possible to add this web part on all sites. There you go. Now it's published everywhere. So now I can go into my page here and just edit that page and just delete this confirmation bit here and the activity bit. And then I'll add the web part and I'll just search for it, Kanban there, and just add it right there. And as you see, when you publish now, it's available for use on this page in this site. So that concludes the demo. Those are the steps. You go to the app catalog, upload and enable it, and then you add the web part to the page where you want to use it. Thank you for watching this demonstration.